Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today start new topics, very interesting. We use as usual our daily life, profit and loss. Profit and loss, when you get profit and when you get loss. If cost price is smaller than selling price, then we get profit. If cost price is smaller than selling price, then we get profit. If cost price is greater than its selling price, then we get loss. So we get profit means when suppose we buy a an article if rupees 200 we buy, then this is called CP, cost price, and is selling in 300. This is called SP, selling price, 300. So what we get? Selling price is greater than cost price. Obviously, we get profit. Clear this one? We get profit. So when we shall solve some problems, we use some formula. We get the formula. Number one, you have to by heart this formula. Profit equal to SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. Number two, loss equal to CP minus SP. CP minus SP is loss. Then number three, gain percent equal to, or profit percent, gain percent equal to gain by CP into 100%. This is our formula. Gain percent equal to gain by CP into 100%. Next, number four, loss percent equal to loss by CP cost price into 100%. This is the value of loss percent. Number five, SP equal to 100 plus gain percent, 100 by gain percent by 100 into CP. SP equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. Suppose sometimes gain given, gain percent given, CP given, we have to find SP. Directly putting the value in this formula, we get ultimately our result. Next, number 6, gain CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percent. Yes. So we get this. This is CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percent. Number 7. Again, SP equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. This one. Number 8, and CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. These are the formula. So CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. So all the formula are same. If loss we get minus. If gain we get, then plus. That is SP equal to 100 plus gain percent into CP by 100, and same formula in case of loss, SP equal to 100 minus. In gain we get plus and loss we get minus. and here CP equal to 100 into SP by this 100 plus gain percent, and here loss, in case of loss we get 100 into SP by 100 minus this one minus. In case of loss you have to remember this is minus. So by using this formula we can easily solve some problem. We within short time we get our result by using this formula. Now let us consider some problem. So we consider this problem. Anita purchased a bicycle at a cost of rupees 3200. She sold it at a loss of rupees 240. At what price did she sell the bicycle? She cost price is rupees 3200 and loss is rupees 240. Now, at what price did she sell the bicycle? Now we have to find selling price. So solution is that the option given A rupees 2960 and B given rupees 2690. This is C given rupees 3440, D rupees 3360 and E given none of this, and it was set in IOB color 2011. Now solution is start. So here given what we have here, CP given, CP equal to rupees 3200 and loss also given, loss equal to 240, this one. Now our requirement SP equal to what? SP equal to what? Since we know this formula, loss equal to CP minus SP, this one our formula. So SP equal to CP minus loss, this. So CP 3200 and loss is 240, and this is 0, this is 6, this is we get this one 11, 9, 2960. Answer is 2960. This is our answer. So option this A 2960, this is our answer, rupees 2960 answer. We consider this problem. A person buys a book for rupees 200 and sells it for rupees 225. What will his gain percent? What is the gain percent? The option given 13%, 14%, 18.4%, 12.5%. These are the option given. Now we have to find what will be the original gain percent. Now what are given? First you have to find out what are given. So here in exam no need to write directly, we can start, but for better you have to write here. A person buys a book, this is CP, CP equal to 200 and sells it, selling price equal to 225. So CP is 200, this is 225, 225. This is SP is greater than CP, so we get a profit. Therefore, gain equal to SP minus CP. SP means 225 and this is 200 and this is 25. This is our gain. But our requirement gain percent. Using formula, gain percent equal to gain by CP into 100%. Gain by CP into 100%. Gain means just we get 25 and CP we know 200 and this is 100%. We get this one. Now this 0 cancel. This is 12.5%. So this is our answer. So option D is our correct answer. So this type of problem is very easy, very simple, very nice. Just you have to by heart the total 8 formula. If by using 8 formula we can solve any kinds of problem, but just you have to by heart the 8 formula. Already I have given the 8 formula. So dear students, I hope you are all enjoying with this type of problem. If you are enjoying, then please, please, please like this video. If you are new in my channel for getting new videos, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.